Mike, let's say I've just been charged with DWI. So I guess one of the first questions is, how can I get pre-trial driving privileges?
Well, Jim, that's one of the most asked questions for the first thing when people come in my office. You can't get driving privileges for the first 10 days. The first thing you need to know is your license is automatically going to be suspended for 30 days upon blowing a .08 or higher or refusing. For the first 10 days of that 30-day period, you can't get any driving privileges. After that 10-day period is up, from day 10 or day 11 until day 30, you can get what are called pre-trial limited driving privileges, which will allow you to go to work, to school, maintenance of the household, and things like that.
Just the bare essentials?
Just the bare essentials, yes.
Right. I understand, but now, are these privileges difficult to get if I'm a client of yours? Is it automatic? You just get them if you do the right paperwork, or what?
No, well, there's a lot of paperwork involved, but no, you don't automatically get them. The first thing that you do need to know is that you have to have had a valid driver's license when you were pulled over for DWI in the first place. Then, there's several things that need to be done. First, there needs to be a petition filed, which your attorney, can file that for you. You have to include with that petition an alcohol assessment, a pretrial alcohol assessment, which I think we've talked about before. You have to get an alcohol assessment. You have to include a $100 fee, or some cases it's a little more than $100. You have to, if you have any hours outside of 6 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday through Friday that you need to work or go to school, you need a special letter from your employer or your school. And finally, you need what's called a DL-123, which is basically just proof of insurance, and that comes from your insurance company.
All right, we talked about pre-trial privileges. What about post-trial driving privileges? That's coming next.